guest once again, my niece.
Hey guys, this is me. My name is Riley and I'm 8 years old, and me and my teacher are going to be making some s'mores.
Yes, okay, so we are going to be making the s'mores that everybody has been going crazy on TikTok. So this is like the viral s'mores, and we're gonna show you our ingredients because we're gonna spice ours up just a tad. So let's get ready to show you all the ingredients that we will be using. So the first thing that we are going to be showing you all are these Goya cookies or Goya Maria cookies that everybody has been talking about, you all. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yes. These are the Goya Maria cookies. I hope I'm saying them right. And when I tried them, they kind of taste like animal crackers. So yeah, I'm super excited on how this is going to taste with the s'mores. All right.
And number 2 on our list for our ingredients is, of course, some chocolate. We have regular Hershey chocolate, and we have cookies and cream chocolate.
Let's see. Yeah, so the lighting is very bright, so hopefully you all can see right quick, and I will do a panel. Let me see.
And number 3, obviously, is marshmallows.
Yay, marshmallows! We got the huge marshmallows. Yes! Hey, 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 hey! All right. So, and then we just have like a regular pan, and yeah. Okay, so we are going to be doing half and half. So we have half regular milk chocolate, and then we're gonna do half cookies and cream. So
and these marshmallows are called the
Campfire
Giant Roasters.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off, because the way they made it, we're gonna put the not the chicken. We're gonna put the chocolate at the bottom of the pan, and I'm gonna have you, well, I'm actually hand you a few pieces of chocolate, and you're gonna put them at the bottom of the pan, like so. So here. Alrighty, so we have half of our chocolate coated. This is our milk chocolate on the pan, and now we are going to get ready to put our
cookies and cream.
Yep, our cookies and cream on down. And I love cookies and cream. Which one do you prefer, milk chocolate or cookies and cream?
I rather prefer milk chocolate because I feel like I don't really like the cookies and cream one. I only like the ice cream cookies and cream. So I rather prefer this one because I feel like this one tastes better than that.
I like both. Here. I don't know who I've seen on TikTok that had both of them. Alrighty, you all. So this is our situation right now.
I think we're gonna put the marshmallows on.
Yep, now we're gonna put our marshmallows on, and we're gonna get ready to put this thing on in the oven. Yeah, you want to make sure you put as many marshmallows as you can on here. There you go. So far, our oven is already
preheated.
So we are ready to put these bad boys in the oven right quick. I'm gonna take a picture right quick of what this looks like. So go ahead and get this oven open for me so I can slide it on in here. Nice and warm, and we're gonna let this sit on in there for about until it gets. So yeah, as I was saying, I don't know how many minutes people typically put their s'mores dip inside of the oven for, but we are going to let ours sit in there for at least 10 minutes or so.
I think 15.
Yeah, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. At least until it kind of starts getting brown on the top, especially like the marshmallows. And then after that, we're going to take our Goya Maria cookies and we're going to dip them in our s'mores dip, and we're going to see how it tastes. Have you tried these already? Here you go. I don't know when I tried it.
It just looks like animal cracker.
Not nasty. It just tastes like a typical animal cracker. All right. So yeah, period. We are going to just kind of wait a couple more minutes until these get up out the oven.
So we're gonna stop vlogging for a few minutes.
Yeah, just for like a few minutes. All right, you all. It's time. It's time. Boom. We're gonna take these out. Come on. Let me get my camera. All right, y'all. So these definitely already overflowed. Y'all, this right here is the s'mores dip, fresh out of the oven, and we let it sit for about no, we're gonna let it sit for a minute or two. And actually we had this in the oven for at least 10 minutes. So yeah, this is what it looks like. All right, you all, so we are ready to try our s'mores dip after it's like cooled down for a little bit. So yeah, we are about to get into it right quick. And
I think the crackers are gonna taste better with the s'mores.
I think so too. Yeah, ooh. It's real hot. So we just dip in, basically. That's how I saw it.
It's so crunchy. I can see the chocolate in the inside.
Yeah, this is what it looks like so far.
I got chocolate on mine. Ooh.
Mmm. Yum.
It's so good.
Okay.
Just bustin'.
Okay now. Yeah. I can't even say nothing right now.
It's speechless.
It's good.
It's not bad. It's bustin'.
It's just it's so good. Like,
it's gooey.
and I actually found this TikTok. I found this TikTok off of her name is Jay something. I'm gonna insert when she tried it, but she had it like as a late night snack. And I was like, I've never seen s'mores made like that. And I was like, oh, nice.
I got a little bit.
It's good. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, I think both of them are good, but overall I'm gonna have to go with the milk chocolate. It's pretty good. Like, I don't know, but that cookies and cream, it still hits, but like that milk chocolate, it's just traditional. All right, y'all, so we are done trying this. Had to sip me up a little water. But overall, the rating for the cookies and cream, I would give it a solid 7 out of 10.
I
because it's real sweet. And then the milk chocolate is gonna get a 10 out of 10 for me. Oreo cookie and cream. S'more dip.
I give the Oreo cookie and cream. I give it a 5 out of 5. I mean a 5 out of 10. And for the milk chocolate, I give it a 10 out of 10.
Alrighty, y'all. So without further ado, we are going to end this video right here. I thank you all for watching. And what we gonna say? Don't forget to what?
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, and what else?
Hit that bell.
Hit that bell and thumbs up this video, and talk to us. Leave some comments down below, and we're gonna make some more videos soon. We have a lot more coming your way, and we hope that you enjoy watching our review on this TikTok viral s'mores dip. See y'all next time. Bye, y'all.